Hi, Chok Chok.
Kobe, look. Oh no, it's so fast. So fast. Umeso.
Kobe, it's so fast, oh.
Umeso.
Wow! Ay, videohan mo to para merong mirror.
Oh.
Kobe, where are you?
Hi.
Look, it's so high.
Kobe, are you flying? Paano mag-fly?
Like a bird.
Paano mag-fly?
My dada peaceful. Okay.
Not sleepy.
Can I see Kobe? Where's Kobe?
Here po.
Ay, there's Kobe. Are you flying? Oh, sus. Wow. So, pababa. Nasa 46th floor tayo ngayon. Now, bababa pala. You start there. Tapos bababa ng 45th at saka 44th.
Punta pa doon?
Go, mag-scarf ka. Kobe, is it lamig? We're so high.
Oh, so quick.
Kobe, you're so high, oh. I don't want hat. Oh, you want hat. Wow, pogi. Ah, wow.
Pogi, anak ito.
We're at the observation deck ng Sky Promenade. So, kita nyo naman. Sa 46th floor tayo ng Sky Promenade. Overlooking 360 view ng Nagoya. So, magpipicture kami dito. Gagayahin namin yung picture rin natin sa Taiwan. Papugi. Sa Taiwan. Hakobo, ha? Be careful, Hakobo, ha? You're so high? You're so high up, oh? Are you in the sky? Paano mag-fly? Are you flying? Paano mag-fly? O, ganon? Ayaw. Naiinitan ka pa sa lagay na yan, ha? Are you so high? I know. Oh, look at the train. Kobe, that's the Shinkansen, no? That's the bullet train. There. That's the bullet train. Ayan. Ayan ang bullet train. Yan yung sinasakyan namin from Osaka to Tokyo. Peace! Peace!
Kobe, dito, Kobe.
Lalamig. Kobe, come here. Kobe.
Ang kulit oh. Ang kulit, 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 kulit. Wow, 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 wow. So kinikilig ang si Mami Winona dahil may ginawa kami. Kung naalala nyo yung ganyang scene na yan, ayan po. Ginaya po namin yung picture namin sa proposal. With Kobe na ngayon. With Kobe na. Ayan. Ganda kasi ng ito po yung baba. So this is an observation deck that you can hang around and just appreciate the 360 view of Nagoya. You can go here with your date or your friends.
Thank you,
Wow.
Daddy John. I love you so
Okay.
much.
You can go here with your loved ones or just alone and spend time looking at the skyline of Nagoya. It's really cold because the top is chopped off. It's really open. It's an open air. Selfie. So it's an open air roof deck. You can see there. It's a helipad up there. Sobrang lamig. It's really cold. The cold is really chilly. As you can see from afar, from here, you can see the fog is right below the mountains. It's really cold. It's around maybe 4 degrees or 3 degrees right now. But it's so beautiful. Try to speak in English once in a while so that our foreign viewers can understand, know some of the information when you travel here. Kobe, is it really cold? Is it so cold? Oh, put up your hood. Mama, cold. If you happen to drop by here in Nagoya, feel free to check this out. He's having fun. Your family's having fun, so that's good. It's really cold. And they have free Wi-Fi here too. So this is a good spot to maybe go to after lunch or even before lunch. You can go here during the evening because they're open until 10 p.m. Okay. Oh, you wanna sit down here? Oh, let's sit down. Let's sit down.
Si John
Hindi, minessage ko na.
Marima.
Is it closing? Closing. Are you wearing gloves? Nakaganyan lang siya. Nag-aama namin ka ba? O yan. Cartier ang sumalubong. 9 ang sumalubong. Lexus ang sumalubong. Van Cleef. So yan yung pagkain ni Kobe.
I know my grandma is totally rock and roll, right?
So sa tabi ng observation deck, merong mall. Sa 4th floor, may mga restaurants. So kumain na lang kami dito sa ramen restaurant. Tatry ni Tito Pung kung masarap ang ramen dito sa isang random ordinary ramen restaurant ng Nagoya. Si Kobe naman,
Marami pa ba?
kumakain na dito.
Kobi-kobi sa video tayo. Mami ko.
Pung, i-rate mo ah.
Ay, Romano.
Kinuha nila yung bestseller. Sa akin naman yung ganito. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Pero spicy siya. Okay naman, okay naman. Sarap. Wow! Ni Tito Pum, so mukhang okay to. Tingnan naman natin tong spicy. Mukhang tanta na yung menu eh. Pero check natin. Spicy broth.
Mainit.
Wow, sarap ah. Spicy siya. Spicy siya.
Hindi siya mabigat.
This is one spicy lang. One level spicy lang. Light broth, no? Light broth. Light broth. Ito yung healthy broth daw.
Oh.
The clams told me they saw a shark heading toward the deep sea earlier.
Sarap. Sarap siya. Sarap siya guys. Sarap siya. Haluin natin.
Ay, nagko-cry ba yan or sleeping? Ay, Mario to sa tapat. Ayun, Mario sa tapat.
It's really spicy. Level 1 spicy pa lang. It's really... Sarap. Really good. Light broth.
Ba't dito sa ilalim mo?
Kamusta po, Pete? Kamusta, May? Masarap? Based sa slurp ni Tito Pum, mukhang masarap. Just walk. You follow mommy and daddy. Good. Step on the yellow line, ha?
Bilis yun ah.
Very good.
Walk only on the yellow line.
Suzaya. We're here at Mazuzaya Parco Mall, and we're here at Sneaker Dunk. We have lots of choices here of Travis Scotts, different colorways. It's around this is around 30,000 pesos. The fragments are around 120,000 pesos. These ones are at around 238, so that's around 238,000 yen is around 87,000 pesos. Mukhang panalo si Daddy ngayon, mas panalo kaysa sa Hong Kong. Tapos may mga ibang target pa. Year pa ni Daddy. Year pa ni Daddy.
Nabudol na kayo magdada.
Okay, so they have a challenge.
Yeah, two times.
Two times.
Yeah, two sneakers, two times.
Because we bought two sneakers, so if we get the black one, we get 10,000 off. The red one, we'll get 5,000, and for the blue one, we got 1,000. So there's a challenge. Oh, go. Si Kobe para swerte. Si Kobe para swerte. Oh, you have to spin. You have to spin.
Spin it.
Alright.
Spin it, come on.
Ano?
Kobe, come on.
Spin it. Spin
Oh,
it.
go, go. Play. You play. You play. Come on.
Throw spin.
Oh, go. Hold it, Kobe.
Throw. Oh, no. Throwing. Throwing.
Slowly lang.
Slowly, slowly. Slowly naman pala. Hindi throw.
No throw.
No throw. No throw.
Oh, white.
Oh, why? Oh no, last one.
Yeah, yeah.
Just one sticker. Oh, last one. One more. Slowly. Come on. Black one. Black. Black. Come on. Black. Oh!
Oh, sorry. Baby.
Oh no. We got two stickers. Get Kobe. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Hey guys. So, kakabalik lang natin galing hotel. Now, punta tayo 7-Eleven ulit. Kasi bukas, pupunta kami sa public aquarium. So, merong ticket daw, sabi ng concierge ng hotel. They're selling tickets in 7-Eleven for the Nagoya Public Aquarium. So, we'll be checking out 7-Eleven right now to buy some fruits and tickets for tomorrow. Check natin yun, guys. Okay? Sana ganito rin yung 7-Eleven natin sa Pilipinas, no? Ang sasarap ng pagkain. Tapos, may access rin sa mga ibang mga attractions sa Pilipinas. Grabe yung 7-Eleven dito. Grabe. So guys, medyo malabo yung usapan namin ni Kuya. Hindi, nagkakaintindihan naman kami. Ginagamit ko, I'm using Google Translate. But our conversation is still unclear. There are still some miscommunications. But yeah, he told me that before claiming the tickets in 7-Eleven, people need to complete a form, an online form in some website, so that we can use that as a claims stub or a voucher to purchase it or to claim it in 7-Eleven, something like that. So that's why I'm gonna Google it first or ask the hotel concierge to help me book it. But for convenience purposes, you can always go to KKday or Klook to avail those tickets. Those are the most convenient ways to get those tickets. So what I would recommend is go to Klook, get those tickets, or KKday and get those tickets. Okay? So see you tomorrow. That's it for our day 3. Sorry kung hindi kami nakakapag-end ng vlogs ng maayos. So medyo magulo lang rin. Pero ayun. That's it for our day 3. Hope to see you soon. Watch out for our next episode. And don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and share and like. Okay, thanks guys.